Hi guys, I stopped at my local pOpshelf to see what they had new now that St. Patrick's Day is over. They have some really nice spring decor and some Easter stuff. And they also have in the front corner of the store a clearance section where it looks like the stuff is about half off. So, and it's a variety of stuff that's marked down. I think some of it's Valentine's Day, but then others are like body items and, just a variety of like dishes and that kind of thing. So, some really fun Easter decorations. They have pet Easter toys or Easter pet toys. If you are a pet parent, I thought this little bottle brush carrot tree was cute, but it was the only one that I saw. So cute little bunny decor. Eggs, those light up eggs that they had at Target, and very similar to the ones that we've seen at Walmart, Target, and now pOpshelf. Those are wood look dishes, but I believe they're melamine. Some nice baskets. They do have some water toys now. So this store is right next door to a Dollar Tree. So some of the stuff is a better deal because you can get it for $1 rather than $1.25 like you would at the Dollar Tree. But pOpshelf has more of a variety on higher end things than you would find at the Dollar Tree. Just because it's not a Dollar Tree Plus, it's just a regular Dollar Tree next door. So a decent variety of Easter candy, like pretty much the tried and true things. Nothing really that special or unique, I didn't think, except for they do have brunch jelly beans. I'm not sure if those are new this year or not, but I did buy a bag of them because I don't remember seeing that flavor. So quite a few Peeps. Ollie's was still the best price for Peeps that I found. There's those jelly beans. I haven't opened my package yet, but I did get them so I could try them. And if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Your support really means a lot. So they have some cute Easter baskets. I think Dollar Tree has way more variety in Easter baskets though, especially if you consider the Dollar Tree Plus. I thought that egg tray was really pretty. So some plastic Easter eggs, Easter grass, normal Eastery things for your Easter egg hunts and Easter basket supplies. They have confetti eggs too, which I've seen at, I think, Target and Walmart both. And they only had one squashmallow. Like, there's several of it, but it's only the one kind. And then there was a smaller squashmallow that was a different animal. But I thought that was kind of weird. They usually have a variety. I love these birdhouses. They do have their garden stuff, which I've shown before, but I think some of this is new. And yeah, they have some like ocean themed stuff, like seashells and that kind of thing. I think that's more geared towards summer. And this is the front of the store.